welcome to another Roman Fruits episode, and we're glad to have you. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and we'll be glad if you're able to give this video a like. In today's episode, we do a bit of summer roaming in the city of Paris in France. We're starting off going to a bowling alley, and we'll be glad to have you come along with us on this experience. So we initially got the direction mixed up and we went into a building close by, and we were there directed to the real bowling alley, and we had to make our way there. The place was so crowded when we got there that we had to wait our turn for almost 40 minutes to have a chance to play. So ahead of that, we had to sort of just walk around, take a look at what other patrons were doing and how they were going about their own bowling game. And in no time, you would see that it was soon our turn to play.
Là, t'as plus que moi, regarde. That is better. That is better.
The initial plan after bowling was to go to the rooftop of Galerie Lafayette, but we ended up not going there. We instead chose to go see the hot balloon ride, which we had already paid for online. On getting there, the weather wasn't favorable or conducive, so we couldn't take the whole balloon, but we enjoyed the view all the same, with the hopes of doing that at some later date. It's another bright and sunny summer day in Paris, and today we are headed to a restaurant in Saint-Ouen-sur-Seine. Actually, this restaurant is an African fusion restaurant, so it's a continuation of the summer expedition in Paris. Interestingly, you can make an order by pressing on this order button like McDonald's or Burger King.